Hello everyone, welcome to the Sounds of English. Today we will learn International Phonetic Alphabets, commonly known as IPA, to improve the pronunciation of the English language. After learning IPA, you will be more aware of pronouncing words. It will make your speech understandable to others and also improve your listening skills. Ultimately, you will gain more confidence communicating with native speakers or passing any English proficiency tests such as IELTS, TOEFL, CLB, and others. In this lesson, we will learn two phonemes. So the two phonemes we'll practice today are E and A. E is a long vowel sound. Long vowel sounds are those in which the sounds of the letters A, E, I, O, and U match the spoken name of the letter. So say it with me. E, as in sheep. E, as in leaves. E, as in seat. E, as in key. The next one is A. It's a short vowel sound. The term short vowel is used to refer to the sounds that most often corresponds to the letters A, E, I, O, and U when the vowel occurs individually between consonants. So it's called consonant vowel consonant or CVC pattern. It is important to note that the term short is not referring to the length of the time the vowel sound is pronounced. It is merely a label. So let's see the examples. A, as in ship. A, as in dip. A, as in set. A, as in gem. So here is the comparison. E, the long vowel sound, and A, the short vowel sound. Sheep, ship. Leaves, dip. Seat, sit. Key, gym. I hope this video was helpful. If you want the notification for similar content, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button. And please leave the comment how did you like it, and thank you. Bye bye.